Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Kart Tour. First, download the free app from your device's app store. Once installed, launch the game and complete the initial tutorial. This will teach you essential driving and item usage. Remember to link your Nintendo account to ensure your progress is saved and to access special bonuses. This step is crucial for long-term enjoyment and competitive play. Controlling your cart is simple. Use one finger to steer by sliding it across the screen. Your cart accelerates automatically, so focus on navigation. Items are collected from item boxes and can be used by tapping the screen. To gain a speed advantage, master drifting. Hold your finger down while turning to initiate a drift, then release for a mini-turbo boost. Practice makes perfect for those tight turns.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're racing through your day or just planning ahead. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Drivers, carts, and gliders are key to success. Each driver possesses a unique special skill, like the triple mushrooms or coin box, which can turn the tide of a race. Carts and gliders provide various stat boosts and increase your chances of getting specific items. Strategically choose your loadout based on the course to maximize your score and gain a competitive edge. Experiment with different combinations. Progressing in Mario Kart Tour involves earning stars and collecting rewards. You earn grand stars by completing cups and achieving high scores in races. These stars unlock new cups and content. Collect coins during races to spend in the in-game shop on drivers, carts, and gliders. Don't forget to complete your daily challenges for bonus coins and valuable rubies, which are premium currency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.